Hello, in this video I will show you how to bypass parental control on DOOGEE T10E. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and now click on manage your Google account. Now click on data and privacy and you have to scroll down and click on delete your Google account. Now you have to enter your lock screen pattern. And now you have to check these two checkboxes and click delete account. And now your account should be removed. So now let's open, for example, Google Play Store. And click sign in. Now you have to enter your pattern. And here you have to enter your email. Then click next. And as you can see, my account is deleted and I have to click next to recover it. And now I have to enter my password. Then click I agree. And click accept. And as you can see, my account is now recovered and my parental control is bypassed. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.